Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create effective ads on your Facebook page. Start by navigating to the Ads Manager, which is your central hub for all advertising activities on Facebook. Here, you'll select your primary objective, whether it's to increase brand recognition, drive website traffic, or generate new leads. Next, meticulously define your target audience. Consider factors like age, location, interests, and even past interactions with your page to ensure your message reaches the most relevant people. This foundational step is crucial for maximizing your ad's effectiveness and achieving your marketing goals. Once your audience is set, it's time to craft your ad creative. Facebook offers diverse formats like single images, videos, carousels, and collections, allowing you to showcase your product or service dynamically. Your ad copy should be concise, yet compelling, clearly communicating your unique value proposition within approximately 125 characters for the primary text. Always pair your message with high-resolution images or videos that are visually appealing and directly relevant to your offering, ensuring your ad stands out in a busy news feed. Now let's talk about your budget and where your ads will appear. You can set either a daily budget for consistent spending or a lifetime budget for a fixed campaign cost. Facebook's automatic placements can reach a wider audience across its family of apps, or you can manually select specific platforms like Instagram or Messenger. Explore bidding strategies such as lowest cost to get the most results for your budget or a bid cap to control your maximum spend per result. This ensures your investment is optimized for impact. Finally, continuous monitoring and optimization are key to successful advertising. Regularly check your Ads Manager dashboard to track performance metrics such as reach, impressions, clicks, and conversions. Pay close attention to your cost per result and return on ad spend. If an ad isn't performing as expected, don't hesitate to make adjustments. This could involve refining your audience targeting, refreshing your ad creative, or reallocating your budget. Consistent optimization ensures your campaigns deliver the best possible results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.